like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Heyy Manibabiess here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and you clicked on this video, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to your girl for more content coming soon, y'all. So y'all, this is my second sponsored video, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, the sponsorships are coming in, keep coming in. We're manifesting them to keep coming. But yes, y'all, so you guys have already seen the title of this video. I will be doing a review on this waist trainer that this company has sent me. So shout out to Luxx Curves, y'all, for sending me this really nice waist trainer, y'all. So we about to try it out on camera and let y'all know what I think. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really nice. And it's wrapped up in the inside, y'all. Okay. Front says you'll look 2 sizes slimmer instantly. You'll have an hourglass shape in seconds, supports your lower back, and corrects your posture. So we're gonna give it a try, y'all. I'll probably wear this for a week also, just to see if I can see the difference between then and now. So yeah, so let's get this open, y'all. This also didn't take that long to come, y'all, which was another good thing. So shout out to Luxx Curves for having fast shipping. So they just put this card in here and it just says thank you on it, you guys, from the bottom of our heart. That is so cute. And the back just has their socials on it. Oh, and this tissue paper is so cute, y'all. It comes with, it says Luxx Curves all over it. All right, y'all, so this is what she looks like. Y'all, this is so nice. The quality is really nice. I would definitely say that. But yes, y'all, they just sent me the rose one, and they had different ones on their website too. So I'll also include the link below for y'all to go check that out. But yes, y'all, this is really nice. This is what the back looks like. I did get this in a small size, and they also took like my measurements and everything. So y'all be good. Okay, y'all, let's get into this beautiful waist trainer that Luxx Curves has sent your girl. I ordered this in a size small, which also is a size small in the torso. They offer small, medium, and large torsos. And y'all, this was so difficult to put on. As y'all can see, this is my first waist trainer, so it was a little bit of a struggle. Your girl eventually got it, and when I tell you it hugged my waist, it was beautiful. Alright, y'all, so this is what the waist trainer looks like on, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a little hard to put it on, and this is my first waist trainer that I've had before, so that's probably why. But it feels really good. Like, it's not too tight onto my body. And this is the back. Like, I like this. I think this looks really nice, and it really hugs me well too. So, all right, y'all seeing? Yeah, I would definitely say like it hugs me, it hugs my waist. I can definitely see how it's cinching in your waist and giving you like that hourglass figure. So yes, thank you Luxx Curves for sending your girl this nice waist trainer. I will have the link below in my description box for those who are interested, and you guys go get y'all a waist trainer. Thank you Luxx Curves for giving me these curves. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Again, subscribe to your girl if you guys are new here, and I will see you guys